In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a member site on your platform. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to create a community or offer exclusive content. Whether you're building a membership-based business, an online course, or simply a community site, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to get started. To begin, open up your platform's dashboard and navigate to the Pages panel. Here, you'll want to click on the plus icon, which will allow you to add a new page. Once you've clicked on that icon, a list of options will appear. Choose the member site from this list. At this point, you will have the opportunity to select a layout for your homepage. Choose a layout that aligns best with the brand and aesthetic of your site, since this will be the first impression for new members. Next, let's focus on setting up a pricing plan for your members. After creating your new member site, you'll need to add a pricing plan. Although there are various pricing options available, we will keep it simple by selecting the free option. This is an excellent choice if you just want users to be able to log in without any payment. Once this pricing plan is set, any pages you add within this member site will be accessible only by users who have logged in. It's a great way to ensure that your content remains exclusive to members. Now, let's make sure your users can find the login link easily. First, you'll need to switch to the preview of your website and click Edit. Then, hover over the header section of your site. You'll see an option to edit site header. Click on that, and then select Add Elements. Within this section, you'll want to enable the account option. What this does is it adds a sign-in link to your header, making it easy for members to log into their accounts whenever they visit your site. If you prefer a different approach, you can always add a manual login link to any button or text block on your site. To do this, simply set its URL to /account.login. This way, you can customize the location and style of your login prompts to better fit within the design and user flow of your site. As you can see, setting up a member site is straightforward and provides you with the tools needed to manage exclusive content. By making these simple changes, you're on your way to building a vibrant and interactive member-only environment. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!